This one-owner GT500KR, mixing a supercharged V8 and 6 forward gears with a track-tuned suspension, is a perfect example of why the Ford and Shelby partnership is a match made in heaven. One of only 278 2009 GT500KRs that complements smooth, brilliant silver two-stage with Vista Blue stripes. The spotless Mustang is an unmodified time capsule. Thanks to solid shelter and a noted aversion to rain and wintry weather, the car's factory-fresh aesthetics would still be right at home anchoring a dealer showroom. Judging by appearance, those aesthetics are 100% straight with no history of accidents or damage of any kind. And a close look down this Ford's sculpted fuselage reveals world-class finishing that by far creates one of the nicest late-model pony cars we've ever seen. Inside, Shelby-branded seats, which feature standard power adjustment for the car's driver, ride opposite a monochromatic leather-wrapped steering wheel that's adorned with convenient thumb buttons. The dash is a familiar Mustang layout, which frames a sequential Shelby plaque and satin-trimmed gauges. And a clean console cages a Ford Racing short-throw shifter that is detailed in red stitching. Take a look under the hood and you'll find a blown mod motor that was heavily influenced by Ford's first GT supercar. Behind that smooth engine, a Tremec 6-speed spins power to an 8.8-inch limited slip axle that's fitted with big 373 gears. Even without its natural exclusivity, this hot coupe would satisfy virtually any performance enthusiast. With plenty of power and nearly universal appeal, it's hard to think of a more desirable modern pony car. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.